So now the evening is not over. Please stay seated because we're gonna welcome on stage Trevor Sick from Food Bites by Rabobank and Juliette Raoul from TechBrew in order to announce the winner of the FIRA Startups Awards. Please have a big round of applause to welcome them on stage. Welcome, Juliette.
Okay, welcome. Can everyone hear us? For those of you that are missing the best part of the evening and exiting at the moment, my name's Trevor Sieg. I work at Rabobank, Food Bites by Rabobank. I'm joined by my colleague, Juliette.
I'm an analyst at TechBrew. We're a VC fund specialized in agri-food tech.
So we were really excited to be responsible for looking over all the startups that applied to join us. We saw some really great technologies that addressed really important and needed innovations within our industry. Innovations addressing genetics, tactile harvesting, novel business models, and we saw some trends as well. Trends around corporate collaboration, data aggregation, modularity. So these are the technologies that not only confront inefficiencies, but also optimize yields. And most importantly, these are the companies and innovators that are really thinking critically about land stewardship and what the technologies they're bringing that can help future generations of farmers be successful. So without ado, let's jump into our presentation. So we had a panel of judges, myself, Juliette. We also had Anton Wobo from Trendlines. He's the CEO of their agri-food fund, as well as Matthias, forgetting his last from Grid Exponential. He's Argentine. Anton is from Singapore, so it was a quite global reach, as well as the startups represented, very global in nature, with their own point of view. So just a quick rundown. We had 11 pitches. Like I said, these were covering a variety of areas and sort of heavy on the robots as a service, just thematically throughout. You can see some of the different areas that we covered as well as the credentials of all the judges. We had a list of criteria here. I think this year is important to note we did add an impact and ESG criteria. And so really thinking about that sort of stewardship angle, not only through a lens of eco-consciousness, but also from a societal and governmental perspective. Pretty self-explanatory. And our winner, this is our winner. So just kind of following up here, it's really important to note that we thought Bluewhite, beyond being a fairly advanced stage company, covered all of those criteria that we just pointed out. They kind of explained in detail all of the questions sort of throughout their pitch. Their presentation covered sort of the important need to have for autonomous technologies with special sort of recognition around the collaborations that are going to make it necessary to succeed within this specific vertical. We were particularly encouraged by their unique navigation capabilities, their whole farm approach, clearly a commercial readiness and a market that's adapted. Autonomy broadly written, and sort of being that leader within the as-a-service model. So do we have a representative? Ron? So we do have a representative from Bluewhite. Ron, if you can join us on stage and... Would you like to have any words, Ron?
Yes, thank you for that. Actually, a bit surprised. I just want to thank the judges for the decision. Also, many thanks for the organizations of this amazing conference and the demos outside. And the main thank is for the amazing team that builds Bluewhite. Very capable and fun to work in. And yeah, and thanks.
We also wanted to recognize the Small Robot Co. It was a close tie, or second place, I should say. We thought this was a really amazing technology as well. You know, some of those trends that we pointed out around modularity, the way that they're thinking about data and as that relates to new business models. Certainly a leader in the field and a company we're really excited to learn more about. Not sure if anyone from that team wants to say hey to the crowd, but you're welcome to if you'd like. Yeah.
Thank you very much. It's amazing to be honoured like this. I think that obviously one of the fascinating things was coming to present and then meeting such an incredible group of like-minded people, I suppose. You know, when you're working in this and you're doing robotics, sometimes you feel a little bit on your own in a little bubble. And then you come here and suddenly realize there are all these sort of people who are doing the same thing and have got the same mindset. So it's very exciting. And congratulations to everyone for coming along to FIRA and making this stuff work, I think. Thank you very much.
Just as a last note, if you are an innovator yourself, if you're thinking about creating a company, or if you know folks that are, please contact us. We're always open to hearing about your new venture, and maybe we can see you here on the stage in future years. So thank you to FIRA and all the organizers.
Thank you.